going to be a very contentious and closely watched case as we see this administration really take head on this idea that they say that state officials are seeking to obstruct their federal efforts to crack down on illegal immigration.
This is where some of the hypocrisy to me comes out, Michael, because I've seen a lot of garment rending. Oh, he from liberals, let's just say it. He from liberals, let's just say it. How dare he arrest a judge? It is an intrusion on the sacrosanct nature of our courts. I agree that you have to think harder about it and be more careful about it as a prosecutor. But these are the same folks who were gravely intoning when Donald Trump got arrested. No man is above the law. Well, no judge is above the law either.
Okay, I need to sit down, maybe relax a little, check if I'm running a fever. Something isn't right because I am completely agreeing with a CNN legal analyst here.
And I know plenty of judges who, if a non-judge had done this, had shown someone a back door to help them get away from arresting agents, would bring the house down on them. So, look, I do think it's a fair point to say that's a precipitous line to cross if you're a judge or if you're a prosecutor charging the judge. But I think the prosecutors, based on this complaint, we always have to say it's a complaint, they have to prove it. But I think the charge here is warranted. I do think this judge committed a crime. I've seen some really interesting gymnastic style contortions to try to explain why it maybe isn't a crime. I mean, that'll be litigated at a trial, but I don't see look, when you look at this whole complaint, I don't see any way to objectively look at this and say the judge did not have intent to block this arrest.
We just got these court charges that were unsealed. Basically, on April 18th, they say that Judge Dugan had an undocumented immigrant set to appear before her in court, and they allege that she helped facilitate him evading ICE officers who were present and ready to arrest him at that court. They say that they were actually able to later arrest him on the street, that he fled them. But now they are bringing those charges, saying that they're formally accusing this judge of trying to help this undocumented immigrant who was charged, facing state charges of assault and battery, and was appearing before her at that time on April 18th. So obviously, we're going to watch the developments. This is going to be a very contentious and closely watched case.
The case against Judge Hannah Dugan is heating up. Now the Wisconsin judge has been suspended by that state's Supreme Court. She's been accused of helping a man evade immigration authorities.
The suspension comes days after the FBI took Dugan into custody. She faces charges of concealing an individual to prevent his discovery and arrest. She's also being accused of obstructing or impeding a proceeding.
No man is above the law. Well, no judge is above the law either.